How to make Diver NFTs. Step 1. Register and log in. Open the app. Tap Register. Sign up and log in. Allow access to all photos. Allow notifications. Step 2. Choose a video. Scroll through and pick from existing Dive clip videos. Or, open the main menu and choose Video Vault. Scroll through the list, and choose a video. Record a Dive clip video. Tap the play button. Enjoy the video full screen. When ready to make a dive clip, use the time slider to find where you want to record. Adjust the yellow rectangle, and tap Record.
I've just come from the stables. My horse is gone.
To stop recording, tap Stop. Type a comment, and save the clip. Play the clip.
I've just come from the stables. My horse is gone.
To render the clip, tap Render. You'll receive a notification when the render is complete. To play the rendered clip, tap Render again.
I've just come from the stables. My horse is gone.
Step 4. Make an NFT. To make an NFT, tap the NFT icon. Tap the Mint button. After a short wait, the NFT is minted. To open the NFT pop-up, again tap the NFT icon. The NFT pop-up appears. Tap any of the links in the NFT pop-up, for example, tap the transaction hash. Track your NFT on Polygon Scan.